Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're reacting to
Bobby of iKON performing like those lively salmon rising against the river stream. Whoosh! That's a long ass title. And this is, I believe, at that show we watched, King of Masked Singer.
Okay.
Where I guess he revealed his mask already. So let's see what we get.
Let's see. They're all surprised.
Except these ladies. Wait, do you remember what was his cover? What, he was octopus, right?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
but he didn't look like an octopus.
No, I know, but this is salmon.
Oh.
I was thinking maybe it's like a parody song about his outfit, but if it's salmon, I wonder if that's other competitors or fans, because they seem they look like other competitors.
They do. Or judges. Sounds like he's saying "I'm a creep." The song "I'm a Creep" by Radiohead. It sounds like that a little bit.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that song too well to like, you know, understand it. Not understand, but to like say if it's for sure.
He's so young here.
Well, how long ago was this?
Ooh.
6 years. Okay, yeah, 6 years ago. Wow.
I wonder how long he lasts in the competition.
Well, it says round 1, so maybe
Only one
he
round?
lost in the first round. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let us know.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang, leave your recommendations, and as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye.